Welcome back to Animal Tales of 10. Today, we're diving into the top animals with the best sense of smell. Bloodhounds, the ultimate trackers. When it comes to tracking, bloodhounds are in a league of their own, equipped with around 300 million scent receptors. Compared to a human's mere 5 million, bloodhounds have an olfactory system so advanced they can follow a scent trail over 130 miles and more than a week old. Their loose, wrinkled skin and long, drooping ears aren't just adorable. They actually help sweep scent particles toward their sensitive noses. Bloodhounds' noses are so reliable that their tracking results are admissible as evidence in court. In the wild and in service to humans, their noses are nothing short of legendary. Polar bears, masters of the Arctic winds. Imagine detecting your dinner from over a mile away, under 3 feet of solid ice, in a blinding snowstorm. That's daily life for the polar bear. Their noses are tuned to pick up the faintest traces of scent molecules carried by the frigid winds of the Arctic. A hungry polar bear can track a single breathing hole used by a seal across vast expanses of frozen tundra. This extraordinary sense of smell is essential for survival in a landscape where food is scarce and well hidden beneath layers of ice and snow. Sharks. Hunters guided by scent. While we often think of sharks as fearsome predators using keen eyesight or powerful jaws, it's actually their sense of smell that gives them the edge. Sharks possess an incredible ability to detect a single drop of blood diluted in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Their nostrils, located beneath their snouts, are designed purely for smelling, not breathing. Specialized sensory cells in their olfactory bulbs can detect tiny chemical changes in the water, allowing them to track injured prey from miles away. For a shark, the scent of blood triggers an unstoppable chain reaction of hunting instinct. Kiwi birds, the noses that lead. In the dense, dark forests of New Zealand, the flightless kiwi bird relies not on sight or sound, but smell. Uniquely among birds, the kiwi's nostrils are placed at the very tip of its long beak, allowing it to sniff out insects, worms, and seeds buried deep underground. Using a combination of keen smell and highly sensitive whisker-like feathers, the kiwi navigates the forest floor with surgical precision. In the dark world, beneath the canopy, scent is the kiwi's greatest guide, and its key to survival. African elephants, giants of scent. The elephant's trunk is one of the most versatile biological tools in the animal kingdom, and at its core is an incredible sense of smell. African elephants have more olfactory receptors than any known animal, beating out even bloodhounds. They can detect water sources over 12 miles away, smell distant rainstorms, and even sense subtle chemical cues left by other elephants. Their ability to smell danger, from predators to human activity, helps guide entire herds safely across hundreds of miles of savanna. For elephants, their trunk isn't just for drinking and grabbing, it's a lifeline to the world. Moles, underground scent detectives. Deep beneath our feet, in a world without light, the mole's nose reigns supreme. Moles have adapted an extraordinary olfactory system that allows them to hunt blind. Some species, like the star-nosed mole, can even smell underwater by exhaling bubbles onto objects and then inhaling the bubbles to capture scent particles. This bizarre yet brilliant behavior lets them detect worms and insects hidden under soil or submerged debris. In the total darkness of the underworld, a mole's nose is the most vital sense it possesses. Snakes, tongues that taste the air. While it might look like they're tasting the air, Snakes are actually smelling with their tongues. By flicking their forked tongues, snakes collect airborne scent particles and deliver them to a special organ inside the roof of their mouths called the Jacobson's organ. This ultra-sensitive chemosensory system allows them to track prey trails, locate mates, and detect predators, often over long distances. Even without ears or good vision, snakes dominate their environments through the power of scent. Fruit bats, navigators of the night. High in the rainforest canopies, fruit bats, or flying foxes, use their keen sense of smell to survive and thrive. While echolocation helps some bats hunt insects, fruit bats rely heavily on their noses to find ripe fruits and blooming flowers. Even across vast, dark forests, they can detect subtle shifts in fruit aromas that indicate ripeness, helping them efficiently harvest nature's bounty. Their incredible olfactory skills are essential for nocturnal navigation, pollination, and even helping forests regenerate. Grizzly bears, titans of the wilderness. Imagine having a nose so powerful you could smell a carcass from 20 miles away. That's the grizzly bear. Their olfactory bulbs are massive, larger than the size of a human brain. Grizzlies rely on this epic sense of smell to find everything from hibernation sites to newborn elk calves hidden in tall grass. In the vast wildernesses they roam, where sight can be limited by thick forests or rugged mountains, their nose becomes their greatest weapon and guide. Dogs, humanity's scent, superstars. While many animals have impressive noses, dogs have truly revolutionized scent detection, often in partnership with humans. With around 220 to 300 million scent receptors and an olfactory system finely tuned by millennia of evolution, dogs can detect everything from missing people to medical conditions like seizures and cancer. Their brains devote 40 times more space to analyzing smells than human brains do. From search and rescue missions to therapy work, dogs use their noses to save lives, build relationships, and bring joy. Man's best friend? Maybe. But they're also scent's best champion. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another crazy fact. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.